This is the Xiaomi Vacuum Cleaner 5 Pro, a powerful AI-enhanced RoboVacuum. You'll find that this vacuum checks all the boxes with AI enhancements. The vacuum delivers up to 20,000 Pascal of power, making it one of the most powerful vacuums on the market. This combined with a 5,200 mAh battery allows for up to 140 minutes of cleaning, perfect for larger homes. Its anti-tangle hair cutting brush easily collects hair as it rolls. It's able to recognize over 47 different types of dirt and stains and over 200 objects like cables or clothes. And it can even recognize pets or animals and will actively avoid them day or night. Its AI navigation also allows for faster and active remapping so that when you change your home's layout, you won't have to constantly remap. It uses auto-lifting, dual rotating mop pads to remove residue the vacuum can't. It also extends the mop and side brush for a near 0mm edge coverage. The Xiaomi app also enables remote control and live view with the ability to record, take pictures, or even speak to your kids or pets from the vacuum on your phone. This can also be a great security feature that you can use from anywhere. The dock has 4-liter clean and dirty water tanks that can cover around 400 square meters, and a 2.5-liter dust bag that only needs to be emptied every 75 days. It washes the mop pads with 80 degrees Celsius water and dries them with hot air to prevent bacteria. This is complemented with its dual rotating scrapers that prevent dirt buildup. The dock and vacuum also smart manage everything from emptying, cleaning, and charging, and will notify you should it need any manual intervention. The compact unit even lowers its radar to be able to reach under beds, couches, and tight spots, making it ideal for any space. In the box, you'll get the robot, the dock, user guides, and accessories for setup. Plug it in, pair it with the Xiaomi Home app, and schedule. You could even use Google to start it with a voice command.